Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 252. We start with this box. Looks like we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here and a 2 here. So that means this is our 8. No help over here. So 2, 6, 2, 6. But that 8 makes this our 4 and our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here. So 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. Don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8. No help here. 4, 7, 8. And no help here. 4, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, 8. But we've got a 7 and 8 here. So that makes this our 4. But no other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. But that 4 means we can get rid of this 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. Got a 6 here, so 3, 5. A 5 here, so 3, 6. And a 5 and a 6 in this box, so this is our 3, 6, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 9. Got a 9 here and a 3 here, so 2, 4. 2, 4, and 9 here, so that makes this our 3. 2 here, 9 here. So this is our 4, 2, makes this our 9. For this column now we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 8, 7, 4. That 8 also makes this our 7, 8. For this box now we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. Got an 8 here. So 1, 2, 1 and 8 here. So 2, 1, 8. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.